Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Realtek audio drivers after Windows Update step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your computer is connected to the internet. Go to the Windows search bar located at the bottom left of your screen. Type Device Manager into the search bar and press Enter. In the Device Manager window, locate the category labeled Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Click the arrow next to it to find the entry that says Realtek High Definition Audio or similar. Right-click on this entry and select Uninstall Device from the context menu. A confirmation dialog may appear. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device, if available, and click Uninstall. Type Windows Update and open the Windows Update settings. Click on Check for updates to ensure your system is fully updated. Once all updates are installed, go back to the Device Manager. Click on the Action menu at the top of the window. Select Scan for hardware changes. This will prompt Windows to automatically search for any available drivers. Wait for the scan to complete. Windows should reinstall the Realtek audio drivers. After the installation is finished, restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your PC has rebooted, test your audio to verify that the drivers are working correctly. If you still experience issues, manually download the latest drivers from the Realtek website. Visit the Realtek download section and select the appropriate driver for your operating system. Download the driver package and extract the files if necessary. Run the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, restart your computer once more. Check your audio to ensure everything is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.